Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. More naam hoy Jaitri, and it is yes, and it is 5 o'clock in the morning, and we are leaving Palakkad today, and we are going to what is the official name? Alleppey. No,
Alapura.
yeah, Alapura
Yes.
is where we are going. I think a lot of you guys know that it is one of the popular tourist spots in Kerala, and it is mainly famous for the houseboat culture that has been prevailing over there since the last few years, last many years actually. And would you like to share anything? Yeah.
Shall we share it later?
Okay.
I mean, let's pray first. Let's pray.
Okay, fine then. All
Actually,
right.
you're standing in front of a temple.
Okay. You know what? I woke up today at 4 in the morning, and I did not have a good sleep last night. Like, I barely slept for 2 hours or something. So the moment I sat inside, and the moment I sat inside, I went off to sleep. So throughout the journey, I have been sleeping so far. And now we are at Kochi, and we did not have our breakfast because we left pretty early today. So now we have come for our breakfast. So Vishag and I are at what is the name of this restaurant?
Salkara.
Salkara restaurant at Kochi, and we are waiting for our breakfast. What did you order for yourself? Did you order?
Egg curry and appam.
He has ordered egg curry and appam, and I have ordered my typical breakfast, that is idli, vada and sambar and coconut chutney for sure. I definitely need coconut chutney when I have anything South Indian, whether it is idli, vada or even dosa. Today I did not order dosa because I don't want to have, but yeah. So we'll be having our breakfast now. Presenting Vishak's sister Niyati. So what are you having for breakfast now?
Having appam and chicken stew.
Appam and chicken stew, alright.
Pacemaker ho jayega.
അപ്പോൾ ഇത് 4 മണിക്കൂറത്തെ ഫോട്ടോ ആണ്.
Vishak, what are you having?
Egg curry and a bit of chicken.
Chicken stew.
Chicken stew, yes.
What about Niyati? What are you having? What are you guys having?
Having appam and chicken stew.
And appam and egg roll.
Appam, chicken stew and egg curry.
Egg curry, yes. We have just finished having our breakfast, and I kept my breakfast very light because I usually prefer keeping my breakfast light, especially when I'm traveling. And I do have heavy breakfast sometimes, but yeah, when it comes to traveling, I always prefer a light breakfast. So I just had idli, and they said vada was not available, so I just had idli with chutney and everything. And the food was good. The idli was good. And now I think it will take us another 1.5 hours or so for us to reach Alleppey from Kochi. So let's get going.
Lake, കായലിലെ lake എന്നല്ലേ പറയണേ?
Backwaters.
Backwaters. Deltas ആണ് അത്. അമ്മ എങ്ങനെയാണ്?
Hello. Hello.
Hi. I mean, I have already said in the morning.
Okay.
So we have now reached Alapura.
अरे इधर बैठना तो बैठ सकते हैं.
We have not reached the houseboat yet. Like,
We'll be boarding in a short while.
yeah.
We're waiting for the concerned person to come. Then we'll be leaving. And we will be spending one day in houseboat. We'll be enjoying. Stay tuned.
I will show you guys.
Yes.
For sure.
Stay tuned for more videos.
Yeah, and I'm very excited. Although it's not my first time exactly, but still I'm very excited.
Yes. Stay tuned.
We've we've been served with welcome drink, and I'll just change and I'll just get settled first. After that, I'll give you guys a tour.
അല്ല ഞാൻ ഇവിടെ സ്വിച്ച് ഔട്ട് സ്വിച്ച് ഇവിടെ ഉണ്ട്
അത് ക്യാൻസൽ ചെയ്തിട്ട് ഞങ്ങൾ കോയമ്പത്തൂർ വന്ന് പോകണം. ഏതായാലും
നിയതി.
മാർച്ചിൽ വരാൻ പ്ലാൻ ഉണ്ട്. കാണണമെന്നുണ്ട്. ബാലിന് വരാൻ ദൂരമുണ്ട്. ഞാൻ കണ്ണൂർ നമ്മുടെ
So basically, there are 5 rooms in total in this houseboat, and all the rooms have been booked for us because we are a group of, I think, 15 or so. So this entire houseboat has been booked for us. So I shall give you guys a tour of the entire houseboat very soon. Let me just get settled first. Vishak, how does it feel?
It feels amazing, heavenly. It's my first experience, first ever experience. Being there like
And the weather is so
I
good, no?
myself never have been to, houseboat.
And the weather is so good, no? It is raining right now and the weather is so cool.
It's October and still it's raining.
Yeah.
दूसरा will be safe from income tax. Income tax और
These are homestays, I guess. I believe these are homestays.
Okay.
Hey, Ma. Ma. Hello. Homestays.
These are homestays.
Homestays.
These are the different houseboats. This houseboat comprises of 2 floors. There are 2 rooms on the upper floor and 3 rooms in the lower floor. So right now we are in the upper floor. Our room is also in the upper floor only. And the view from here is so gorgeous and it is so beautiful, I can't tell you. And I'm having a very good time over here. Vishak is here.
Yeah,
Yeah, मेरे बाल
Like
बहुत
you said.
बड़े हैं, हाँ.
we are having a very good time.
Yes.
It's heavenly.
You guys should make a visit
Yes.
to Alapi. I mean, I think people
Before
usually.
exploring any other place, everyone must explore this place first.
Yes. No,
Must visit place.
no, but usually when people come to Kerala for, for the purpose of, what to say, tourism,
Yeah.
they usually come to Alapi. It is a very popular spot.
And for many people, this may be a once in a lifetime experience.
Yes.
For many.
Yes.
So please utilize it if you get a chance.
Please do. And don't just come as a single, maybe you should come in a group of maybe 2 families, 3 families or whatever. That is more fun. This is the scene from the upper floor, and I don't know if my camera is being able to do justice or not, but it is very beautiful. Trust me guys, it's very beautiful.
Vlogging purpose this is the common route. Kainigiri vadi poni ഞാൻ കാണിച്ചു
So I'm here to give you guys a short tour of the entire houseboat where we are staying. So here is the captain, or I don't know what do we call, who's riding the houseboat. And we have entered from here. We need to take off our footwears. This you can say is kind of the living room. And then out here is the dining table. You can sit over here. This is basically the ground floor. This is the ground floor. I'm loving this place, by the way.
Yeah, this is actually very good.
Yeah.
Wait.
We are now coming inside. So this is one bedroom, right?
Yeah.
This is the first bedroom.
This is the first one.
We have 2 wash basins along with hand wash and everything. I like the fact that the hand washes are full and it's all there. This is the second bedroom. This one. The second bedroom. Then this is the outer part. This is the third bedroom. This is the third bedroom. And this side is the kitchen. I'm not sure if I can film inside the kitchen area or not, but the kitchen is this way. Now let's. Yeah. Oh, how you cook?
Fish curry and egg cow. Welcome snacks.
So now we are at the upper floor. Again, wash basins over here with hand wash and everything. Then this is the outer part. Shak's dad is calling us because starters have been served. This is bedroom number 4. No, yeah, bedroom number 4. And this is bedroom number 5, where Vishak's sister, Niyati, Vishak and I, 3 of us will be sleeping. This is bedroom number 5. It's all the same. Vishak has shown the interior of the other bedroom, so it's the same.
You both have in this plate.
Yes.
This is called tapioca.
Tapioca. Okay. And now we are here to have the starter meal.
മതിയോ
Hey, red
What
chili
is
chutney.
this? This is fish chutney, right?
Fish chutney.
No.
Fish chutney,
Fish, not fish chutney. This is red chili chutney.
Okay.
Fish curry.
fish curry,
This is tapioca.
red chili chutney, and tapioca. And I will be trying all 3 of them for the first time. So this plate belongs to Vishak and me, and Vishak had already shown you guys what we are having. This is tuna fish, this is red chili chutney, and this is tapioca.
Yeah.
And these are all traditional dishes of Kerala, and I just can't wait to try them.
Yeah. Please.
Guys, Vishak has gone to take the second serving. I just want to say that the fish is outstanding. Outstanding, I would say, the fish curry. The chutney is mind-blowing. Tapioca is also fab. I'm having a very good time over here, and it's awesome. It is consumed over here as a starter. We have been served. This is not a lunch. It has been served to us as a starter, and it is fab.
Right now, our boat is moving slowly. Houseboat is moving slowly, and we can see speedboats also here. So this, whatever you're seeing, whatever you can see, is the backwaters. There are 2 to 3 backwaters that merge, and I don't know when we'll be able to see the sea, Arabian Sea, but right now we are at the backwaters and we are enjoying the scenery. See, there are so many houseboats.
This is the view from the ground floor. There's this cute looking, I don't know what you call it, door or window. I don't know what is it exactly. And this is the view from here. And here is Vishak.
I will have water, going to sit here and enjoy the scenery. Yes. Maggie చెప్పిందా నా? Just sit here. You will get Maggie. Yara bujju.
And Vaishak is relaxing over here.
Yes.
That's going to be my corner.
Your corner?
Yeah.
That is going to be mine? Or that is going to be yours? Or you want both?
I want both.
Then do shuttle. 5 seconds here, 5 seconds there. So this is toddy. What do you call it? In maybe in Hindi, I can say that desi daru. So this is desi
Coconut
daru.
beer.
Yeah, and this is taken from both coconut trees as well as, I think, if I'm not wrong, pine trees as well. They ferment it, and then this is how they fill the bottles, and according to the requirement of the quantity of the customers, they serve it. So I suppose this is a 1 liter bottle now. So as many liters we want, we can keep ordering.
So I'm trying toddy for the very first time.
6 rupees medical 300 rupees per liter.
How is
It
it?
is tangy.
Somewhat tastes like buttermilk.
Yes,
little
somewhat
bit.
tastes like buttermilk, but it is tangy. Buttermilk is also tangy, I guess. But
Yeah,
this tastes
obviously.
tangier.
Tangier. Tangier.
कवर बंद नहीं करना चाहिए हल्का कुछ मैं लेके
It somewhat tastes like buttermilk.
Okay.
But I think buttermilk is less tangy than this. This is a bit more
Okay.
tangy. Yeah.
टोटल फॉर्मेट हो जाएगा
So we have bought a 5 liters bottle of toddy. Each liter costs 300 rupees. And we have bought 5 liters.
This is toddy.
Cheers guys, cheers.
Cheers.
because they know already
We are using the same glass.
do that
Cheers guys. Cheers to all my subscribers. And a lot more. Hopefully my YouTube family will increase with time. Cheers. So Vaishak is having his second glass or third glass of toddy.
Third.
Third glass
This
of
is the last
toddy.
glass.
Are you liking it?
Technically 2 or 2.5 you can say, because we were sharing. So yeah, I'm liking it. I'm actually liking it, and I'm liking the time.
The view.
I am liking the moment. The view. Show them, no? Already, this does not have a continuous stock. After every 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours, there's a gap. Because even the captains, they need some rest.
Yes.
The ones who are riding the boat. So it has been correctly tied to a tree, and we can hang out. Actually, if you want, we can hang out. But since we have not had dinner, lunch. So we'll be going to have our lunch in some time.
Lunch has been served, by the way. We are going to have it sometime.
We're just enjoying the.
Vaishak is planning to have some snacks.
Yeah.
Wait, you're not visible. Maybe some fish fry or something.
Yes.
I'm very hungry, so I'm going for lunch now.
Yeah.
And Vaishak will be joining in sometime. Let's see what is there for lunch.
In the more.
സാമ്പാർ മീൻകറി